treasure hunt. I long for something new.
Welcome to another episode of Decorating Ideas. Decorate with me for summer 2025. This is officially the 5th episode of our House to Home series. But before we jump into decorating and showing you all the new home furniture, I want to put you on to something that I've been loving lately, the Teddy Blake luxury handbag. Teddy Blake is a fashion brand that specializes in luxury handbags without the premium price tag to them. Their handbags create the perfect balance between trendy and timeless handbags without that price tag. I would emphasize on the premium quality leather, and my pick was the Kim Stampato 14-inch handbag. This stunning handbag is perfect for adding a dash of chic to any outfit. It is made in Italy from soft pebble leather. It is also a versatile piece that has a very intriguing look. It also comes with a long leather cord that could help transform this bag into a shoulder handbag, therefore making it so versatile that you could dress it up or dress it down. I love it. My color I chose was the dark brown bag, which is made up of a microfiber interior and gold tone detailing. Let me know what you think about this handbag, and I also want to let you know that they are having a July 4th sale that has already started. Please don't hesitate to check it out. I will link all the details of this handbag down in the description box below. I would also do my best to add any coupon codes, discount codes that might help you save some money on the purchase of any handbag you would like from Teddy Blake. Hello guys, my name is Dedes and welcome to Dedes Home Interior. On this channel, I do home decorating ideas, inspiration, and some organization. I also strive to show you how to create high-end looking homes on a budget. And if this is something that you are interested in, please sit back, relax, stay tuned, and keep on watching.
So I trust you when you say that beauty.
In today's episode of our house to home transformation, we have a new furniture from Garvey, and it is the egg chair that you are gonna see in just a minute. This egg chair came to save the day. 2 months ago, when we moved to this house, I talked to you guys about not just creating a very aesthetically pleasing home, but also a very functional home. There was this empty space in the house that I was wondering how to make it cozy and functional. And immediately I saw the egg chair, I knew that that was exactly what this space needed. And this video is going to have 2 spaces that we are going to transform or decorate or makeover or refresh. But I would like for you guys to tell me which of the 2 spaces really speaks to you or relates to you. Is it the outdoor or the indoor space that we are going to target for today? So let me know your thoughts, because you know I love the comments, I love the interactions. So guys, stay tuned because we are about to have so much fun, and I'm hoping that you get some inspiration out of this video, and to remember to share this video with a family member or friend to inspire them to clean, makeover, and decorate their space today. The first impressive highlight about this egg chair from Garvey is the high quality wicker that it is made up of. This is made up of hand woven premium wicker with weather, UV, and fade resistance. It is supported by a sturdy steel frame that holds up to 440 pounds for a durable outdoor use. I am so in love with this.
I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on.
Another impressive highlight is how comfortable and spacious the seating is. It is designed as an oversized wicker egg chair and also comes with very thick, soft cushions and offers ample space and long-lasting comfort for extended relaxation. One thing you would notice about the cushions is the fact that they all have zippers. The zippers are very important as they make it very easy for the cushions to be maintained and cleaned every time they are stained, especially because they are being kept outdoors. I really love that these have zippers for each pillow or cushion, and that alone is a plus for me. If you're gonna have kids around, you definitely want to have furniture or cushions that have zippers so they are easy for you to clean and maintain.
10 times after 9, I still wish.
Another thing that makes this egg chair very special, unique, and comfortable is the fact that the back cushion could either be placed vertically or horizontally, depending on how tall or short you are or how comfortable you want it or it makes you feel. So initially I went with the long one, which is very easy for my husband to use this way, but because I'm a short girl and I'm hoping to be using this today with my baby, I decided to go in with this one, and I love that it added, some touch of comfort to my back. So that alone is a plus, because no matter how tall or short you are, you could make this egg chair comfortable and customize it to your family's needs. If you are new to this channel, hello and welcome. I hope you are loving this video enough to be part of the family. Please hit the subscribe button and obviously click a notification bell so you would always be notified every time I upload videos like this. And if you're an OG, without you, I'm not going to be here. Thank you so much for always loving me like you do. I am so grateful for you guys for always coming back for more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. As someone who works so hard and always wants to relieve stress, I love the fact that this egg chair comes with an ottoman that could help act as a footstool and just help me relax and stretch when I'm sitting on the space. And that alone is a true relaxation spot for me. That makes this a very complete set, and I love that this has been very helpful and functional for my family's needs. In a minute, you would see me relaxing on this area with my daughter, who could not wait for this space to be complete so she could relax and spend some mommy and me time. Anyway, guys, I cannot wait for you guys to tour the space. Tell me your thoughts or give me your thoughts. Tell me what you think about it. In the meantime, I also wanted to refresh the front porch, the actual front porch of the house. Just clean it out and then replace the little topiaries that we had in the space. But guys, I would love to know when you tour the space, how you like it, if this is a space that you would use, and also stay tuned for the next space. And I would love to know which of the two make more sense to you and your family's needs.
Where have you been? It's like I waited all my life, so happy that I found you on paper thin.
As you can see, my daughter and I were just chilling, relaxing, spending a mommy me time, bonding, just having the time of our lives. I would link this chair down in the description box, Garvey's link down in the description box, my discount code down in the description box. You should use the code to save some money on any item that you want to buy from Garvey, especially this egg chair. If you are loving this so far, let me know down below. Drop me a beautiful comment. Tell me something nice, and stay tuned because we are going to be decorating another space inside the home, and I would love to know exactly which of these can relate to you, if it's the outdoor or the indoor space that we decorated for today's video.
This in a while now. So sad when we are apart. If you leave, you break my heart. I need you to need me too. Stay with me when it's getting dark. Hold me tight, close in your arms. I want you to want me too. Why is it so hard to just be honest? Why is it so hard to speak the truth? Why is it so hard to just be honest when I want this? Maybe you want it too, so I just need to tell you. I just need to tell you.
Now off to our breakfast dining area. In our previous house, we had two dining areas, which was the breakfast area and the dining area. In this house, we've decided to consolidate it to just one dining space because our kitchen counter is so big and we've been using that more. And we decided to use this breakfast nook into the actual dining area without trying to compromise our space because we have other uses for the other spaces. So this is what the furniture we brought from our old house was. We had this dining table and these chairs that we've had since the old house, and we just transferred them to this space. If you're an OG, you will remember this black and gold art that we had in the entryway of the old house, and I did not nail it to the wall because I'm not exactly sure if this is going to be permanent for this space, because as you know, we are testing out the decor in the space and the layout of the house before we make anything permanent. You would see also a lot of Z Gallery items for today's video because I've been collaborating with Z Gallery a lot on Instagram and TikTok, and so if you are not following me on those platforms, please check me out because I have a lot of fun videos on Instagram and TikTok, and it's Dedes Home Interior, just like my YouTube channel. If you are interested in any of these items, I would link them down below. I have a Z Gallery link below. Please check it out on my link tree and let me know if there's anything you want to see that I have not linked. Thank you guys so much for watching up to this point. I can't wait for you guys to tour and tell me exactly which of these two spaces we've decorated for today's video are your favorite.